So I'm having a bit of a mess here. This is what happens. Like a tree branch came down here from all the snow being on there. So now I'm cutting this up because I have to cut it up. I can't throw it away like this size, right? And since I have my fire pit, I can use this as firewood, part of it. And let me show you how I do this here. So I can use those pieces, I can use as firewood, right? The thicker ones there. This one came off good here. Like, I need to cut this in smaller pieces, but this is a perfect piece for firewood. Put the firewood in there. And then this stuff here, that takes up a lot of space in your garbage cans. So I'm running this through this Harbor Freight tool. What is it called? Chipper, right? Electric chipper shredder. So that thing makes this out of it. It's just the needles and the little wood sprinkles. Dog is excited and wants to eat it? No. Okay, now then the thicker ones, what doesn't fit through there, are those here. And those I cut up with a lopper. Lopper. Okay. This is a lopper. I have this one for 13 years now. And I decided today I got myself another one. It's a titanium and it is bent here. You can see this here, the tip. So this is really after 13 years worn out. It still works. But the problem here is that those handles come off. So you can plug this back in here, but in order to make this better, you would have to put a screw through here to hold it on there. So okay, and then today I went to get a new one. Let's compare this. Same handle length. Looks like the same edge here, the same bend here, so that means that has to be like this. So this is not a bend, just a little worn here in that area, but it's the same titanium steel here. It's called Power Gear 2 now, and let's hope this new one will also last as long as this one. I'm going to do some test cuts for you guys to see what this can cut. You just have to find a good one, a good thing to cut. So like this here, for example, I'm going to cut this off. Or this one is thick, right? Can you cut this? That's a big question. This would be a good test. Right, let me set up my camera and then we're going to try. So for that, GoPro. It's good for this, right? Okay, first cut. And they say it does a clean cut. No, it cut it. Down there it is. And then I have to get up the tree. Up there to get those broken off pieces. I have to cut straight. Put clean cuts on there. That it doesn't damage the tree too much. And hopefully that heals. Up there, those two broke off weird, so I don't know if I have to go up there to cut those. This one here I love. Let's get started. That is Ryobi, and I'm gonna cut up a few pieces. here. There. Now I have more. Let's do more. That was a little long, that piece. Oh. Maybe cut that in shorter pieces. Make a 3 out of this. So the GoPro battery is really low. I had to cut that short, and you know, I interrupted the recording, and then I chopped up all this here with this Ryobi saw. Okay, it's still working, don't be afraid. You just want to check quick. 1 bar left, so a quarter of juice left. 1 LED shows, and it did that many cuts. I did short pieces. Why did I do short pieces? Short pieces because my fire pit there is a small fire pit, so anything longer than this doesn't fit in there. That's why I had so many cuts. And yeah, I am amazed how much this thing can cut. It's a crazy saw. Really worth the money. It's a well spent investment if you have to cut wood every once in a while.